Welcome to TM HMU Nadar Saraswati Public School. I am Kalarani, Department of Social Science. Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Did you watch the last week video? I hope you are all know about our planet. Now I am going to take the class for 5th. The topic is parallel and meridian. Dear students, in the last class we learnt about the shape of the earth, isn't it? What is the shape of the earth? Yes, it is spherical in shape. To find out the location of the place on the earth, we need certain imaginary lines. That is called the parallel and meridians. What is this? This is a globe. Look at the globe. Some horizontal and vertical lines are drawn on the globe. It is not a true line, it is an imaginary line. These lines are help us to find out the locations of the earth. There are two types of the imaginary lines. Parallels are latitudes and meridians are longitudes. There are two types of imaginary lines, parallels and meridians. What is this? This is a parallel. What is parallel? An imaginary lines running from east to west are called the parallel. An imaginary line running from east to west are called the parallels. What is parallel? Equator is the center of the latitude. It divides the earth into two equal halves. It is the longest parallel or latitude. Which is the longest parallel or latitude? North of equator is called the northern hemisphere and south of equator is called the southern hemisphere. Zero-degree latitude is equator. From equator to north it is called the northern hemisphere. From equator to south it is called the southern hemisphere. There are two types of hemisphere. Important features of the parallels. All parallels are complete circle except the north pole and the south pole because these are points. The length of the parallel decreases as we move away from the equator and towards the poles. All the parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. Parallels neither touch nor cross one another. All the parallels are drawn at 1 degree interval on the globe. Next heading is how are parallel numbered. How are parallel number? We start from the equator. It is 0 degree latitude. We mark from other parallel from 0 degree to 90 degree. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. Including the equator, there are 181 parallels. Northern hemisphere have a 90 parallels and southern hemisphere have a 90 parallels, including equator, totaling 181 parallels. How many parallels on the globe? Some other important parallel. 0 degree is the equator. 23 half degree north is Tropic of Cancer. 23 half degree south is called the Tropic of Capricorn. 66 half degree north Arctic Circle. 66 half degree south is Antarctic Circle. 90 degree north is North Pole. 90 degree south is South Pole. The Arctic and Antarctic circles are the polar circle. Next heading is meridian. What is meridian? An imaginary lines drawn from North Pole to South Pole are called the meridian. It is also known as longitudes. Important features of the meridians. All the meridians are the same length. The distance between any two meridians decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. Meridians cut the parallels at 90 degree right angle. Meridians are used to measure distance in the east to west. How are meridian number? 0 degree prime meridian is the center of the meridian. It is passes in the Greenwich near London. 180 meridians in the eastern hemisphere and 180 meridians in the western hemisphere. Totally 360 meridian. Next is grid. A grid is a network of parallel and meridian. Parallel and meridian cross each other and form square or rectangular shape. It is used to find out the location on the globe. Here given the grid picture, the square or rectangular point is called the grid. It is point out to location of the earth. Thank you.